Alright guys, well we're going to be unboxing today the Denon AVR-X8500H. This is a 13.2 monster AV receiver. This has the processor in there. It's IMAX Enhanced, does Dolby Atmos, Dolby Digital, DTS, pretty much all audio formatting. This is probably one of the best values if you're going to do a larger Atmos or IMAX system that you can buy right now. Retail on it is $4 grand. We have hot prices on it. Give us a call and we'll shoot you over our best price, guaranteed. So let's take a look and see what's in here. Got a remote with batteries. We have the power cord, as well as the Odyssey setup mic. If you're gonna do this at home, this is a great tool to have. You just plug it in, let it run itself. If you hire us to do it, we'll actually go in and manually do your crossovers and level calibrations to get you the absolute best experience. Now, if you guys are interested in even more premium high-end Atmos systems, we do have Storm Audio, which will actually support up to a 32-channel Atmos system. But for most cases, this is more than enough here. So inside, we have the quick start guide. Read me first. You've never done it before. You got Bluetooth, Wi-Fi ears, and what's really cool is Denon always includes these labels. So if you're DIYing it, you can tone each speaker and put your labels on there and then hook it up. Little calibration mic stand. This is pretty cool. It's just paper. You build it up and then you set your little mic on top to bring it right to ear level. It's a nice little feature that they include. Let's see what's inside. So here's the front of the unit. Really nice, clean look. Looks just like all the In Command series. Actually, just a little bit larger in size. Let's see what they got here on the front. Actually, I have some nice hard buttons here so you can go in and make your adjustments. Quick selects for your audio inputs. And then zone 1, 2, and 3 on and off. You can navigate your setup menu. And then it has a on-screen display here. Pretty clean unit. Just take a look at the back. You look down inside of this, you can tell it's a really well-built chassis, as well as the components inside. So we got a power supply, USB, that's pretty cool. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi antennas. We got all of our HDMI inputs. It looks like every single one is in 4K, DCP 2.2. They're assignable ports. You got a total of 7 here on the back, and then you got your 3 outputs, also DHCP 2.2 4K capable outputs. Monitor 1 and 2 in zone 2. So monitor 1 typically is to the projector or TV, and then monitor 2 will just reflect that image, and then zone 2 should be independently controllable, so you could actually break out your sources to go into separate TVs and separate rooms, so you could be watching 2 completely separate things. We got our power AC in, and then a bunch of analog inputs. You got the Denon Link HD, AM FM antenna, signal ground. We have pre-outs, as well as video connections. Won't be using those, but I guess it's nice to have, as well as component. I'm still surprised they put these on units, but I guess there's certain devices where we hook them up for customers that are dying to still use it. We got audio in for phono, trigger, remote control, RS-232. These are all your control inputs. And then digital audio. We got optical, as well as coaxial. And then all of our speaker outputs. So front, left, and right, center, surrounds, surround backs, and then these are for all your Atmos or DTS, depending on how you're configuring it. In this system, we're going to be doing a 7.2.4 Dolby Atmos system. And there is one HDMI here on the front too, and a USB that I forgot to tell you earlier. So a total of 8 HDMIs, 2 USBs. You got the setup mic and then a phones port. It's a really well-built receiver. I mean, for the price, you really can't beat it. Take a look at it from above. High current power transformer. Looks really nice. Alright, well, an unboxing of the Denon 8500H. If you guys would like to purchase this product, give us a call or shoot us an email. Keep in mind, we are a dealer for pretty much all AV equipment relating to home theater. If you need receivers, we also have Sony, we have Marantz, I have Storm Audio, I have Yamaha, Avantage, Onkyo, Integra, pretty much anything you guys would need. So we have the best pricing guaranteed. Give me a call and we'll get you hooked up. Projectors, TVs, speakers, we have you there too. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below, like and comment, and share. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.